Good morning on a Thursday that again is going to be really nice. I'm meteorologist Rod Hill. We call this Weather Extra, and today is kind of giving you an update on our weather looking forward into the weekend. By the way, I know it's shocking. We're actually going to see a cloud or two in the sky today. This is a low where you see it spinning offshore, just throwing some mid to high level clouds up our way. You can see the band right there in the infrared satellite picture. This could easily just turn out to be a mostly sunny day and still really nice. Hey, yesterday, did you enjoy it? Aurora and Newport each hit 61 degrees for high temperature. Now, records in Portland this time of the year are generally around the mid 60 degree mark, and we're really not that far off for a lot of the high temperatures records to actually start jumping up into the 70s as March 1 approaches. We talked about this yesterday, of course. It was the first clear sky day Wednesday since December 2nd in terms of just perfectly blue. Crown Point, this happened at about 12:30 last night, hit an east wind at the Vista House up to 70 miles per hour. And that east wind machine still going this morning. Troutdale's basically been blown to about 35 miles per hour. We think those winds should start to fade away a little bit later today, and we do expect just a light west wind across the area on Friday. Want to talk about the mountain real quick. Of course, no new snow. Bases are still healthy. Timberline sitting at 136, Meadows 110, Ski-Bowl at 66. That's mid-mountain at 5,000 feet. You get down to 4,000 feet at their base and government camp. I think it's more like about 34 inches, 36. Mount Bachelor, 86 inches of snow. The mountain looks for some fresh powder to come in Sunday. This system is starting to look weaker than it was in terms of not that much real cold air coming in behind it. But how much could fall starting Sunday morning through Sunday night? This shows Timberline the potential of more than 8 inches of snow. The snow level is somewhere between 3,000 and 4,000 feet. Now that same system, which will bring rain to the valley, anywhere from a quarter to about 4/10 of an inch of total rain on Sunday through Sunday night for the Rose City. Here's the big picture. The weather system's holding out to sea. But that low I showed you earlier just throwing a little bit of high cloudiness our way. I mean, with that said, Portland's looking pretty sunny early this morning. We've had some freezing temperatures out the door on this Thursday morning in calm wind areas. East wind areas have been well above freezing. PDX, one of those spots, 37 degrees. This afternoon at 3 p.m., everybody's dry. 50s on the west side. 50s in Central Oregon, too, by the way. Bend, 52. And then generally up into the 40s across eastern Oregon. Here are the 7-day numbers. So 56 today, a little change tomorrow. Really nice weather. Saturday, clouds increase. I think eventually it just becomes a gray day, but still dry. Sunday, when you get up in the morning, probably some rain around and then occasional shots of rain throughout the day, about 48 degrees. Shower chance might linger into Monday morning. Tuesday, sunny. Right now I have a chance of rain next Wednesday, but if you have plans next week and you're really watching the weather carefully, let me tell you, forecast models have been all over the board. None of them agree with each other. So at this point, we're kind of waiting to see how next week locks in before we can give you any confidence on that forecast. Hope you have a great day as our dry stretch continues through Saturday. I'm meteorologist Rod Hill.